In this video, I will show how to type inside a path in Illustrator. We have this Illustrator. We have this object. To type anything inside this object, click on this T icon and click on this point. You can change font. Size, and click anyway. Same you can write in any object. How to write into any shape inside any object. So select here any object. To write inside this object, click on this T and click on any dot and click anyway. Same if you have any circle object. And click on this type tool and click any object. To full justify, select it, center, and here you will see in the paragraph full justify option. So thanks for watching.